Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to wire transfer $50,000 to Cash App. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open the Cash App on your phone. Then go to the Money or Banking screen, and here scroll down until you see Get Bank or Wire Transfer. Tap on it. Here, scroll down and Cash App will show you your wire transfer details, including the routing number and account number specifically for wire transfers. Keep these details private and only share them with your bank when making the transfer. Cash App explains that incoming wire transfers are usually received within a few hours, but they can take up to 1 business day. Cash App does not charge a fee to receive a wire transfer, although your bank may charge a wire transfer fee. Now, if you click on How to Make a Transfer, you will see the transfer limits. You can receive up to $50,000 per day with a maximum of 2 wire transfers per week and 4 per month. The wire transfer must be sent from a US bank account. Now, simply contact your bank or visit your bank's website and request a wire transfer. Provide the wire routing number, account number, your name, and any other information your bank requires. Once the transfer is processed, the money will appear in your Cash App balance. After the funds arrive, you can use your Cash App balance to send money, make purchases, invest in Bitcoin or stocks, move money into your savings, or spend it using your Cash App card. And that's it. So that's basically how you can wire transfer $50,000 to Cash App. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.